most of the people don't know how to make like of the videos math fraction sound, like hear graph sound. How to? So going to YouTube,
This
like
is a
I'm talking about these. Search.
console.
It's because okay, we're gonna have to go back up. Okay, no sleep time, no sleep time. So let's I'm talking. Graph and go delete my. Let's enter. Oh, you see this? What's going up? Whoa, this is crazy, dude. Okay, so if you have Google, just download it if you're not. So get on it and go here. You see Sound Demo. Wait, I have to delete it. I will give you time to pause the video to Sound Demo. Okay, how you spell it? Okay, you better pause it. It's up there. Just click on it and you'll see.